Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Volvo XC90 tail light, easy method. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Remove interior trim clips and the tail light access panel carefully. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling gently. Remove the mounting bolts with a socket and lift the assembly out. Align the new tail light, secure the bolts, and reconnect the wiring harness before testing lights. Begin removal by unscrewing the visible mounting bolts and keeping them organized. Carefully pry off trim clips to reveal any hidden fasteners without applying excessive force. Once clips are removed, support the tail light assembly with your hand to prevent it from dropping. Depress the wiring harness release tab and pull the connector straight out to avoid bending pins. Lift the old assembly away from its mounting surface and set it aside safely. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice and enjoy a pleasant drive while working on your vehicle. I find a nice scent makes wrenching much more fun and keeps the cabin fresh during long projects. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Connect the replacement tail light wiring briefly to test signals and brake lights before final installation. If all lights function, disconnect and position the new assembly into the body opening, aligning mounting holes carefully. Hand thread the bolts to avoid cross-threading, then torque them snugly, but do not over-tighten. Reinstall any interior trim panels and clips, then fully reconnect the electrical plug. Close the tailgate and perform a final check of all light functions to ensure success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.